Hello friends, today I am here with a game of Philidor defense where white wins just in 17 moves. The game starts with e4 and the black replies with e5. White develops knight to f3 attacking the e5 pawn and the black defends by d6. White challenges the center by d4 attacking the e5 pawn. Black puts the bishop to g4 pinning the knight. White takes e5 pawn from d4. Black captures the knight sitting at f3. White recaptures queen cross f3. Black takes e5 pawn from the d6 pawn. Now white moves bishop to c4 targeting checkmate at f7. Black prevents the checkmate by putting his knight to f6. Now white reroute the queen to b3 square aiming the f7 square as well as b7 square. Black puts the queen to e7 square defending the f7 pawn. White develops knight to c3, one more defender for the e4 pawn. Black develops pawn to c6 in order to prevent knight or bishop coming to b5 square or d5 square. White pins the knight by putting move bishop to g5. Black attacks the bishop from b5. Here white sacrifices his knight and knight cross b5. C pawn takes the knight and bishop cross b5 and it is a check. Black prevents this check by knight b d7 and white immediately castles and bring his rook into attack of the pinned knight. Black moves his rook to d8 in order to defend the knight. White sacrifices the rook and rook cross knight. Now the queen cannot take the rook because then queen will be lost. Knight cannot take the rook because then the queen will be lost. So the rook has to be captured by the rook. Black does it. Rook cross d7. Now the white puts second rook into the attack, rook d1. Now white is completely winning. Here black tries some breathing room and puts his queen to e6 in order to exchange the queens. Now bishop cross e7. Check is coming. Now the knight is unpinned. So the black takes the bishop from his knight. Now again queen gives one more check. Queen b8 check. This check can be prevented only by one legal move and knight takes queen. Now rook d8. A beautiful checkmate. Friends, if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel to motivate me to make such type of more videos. Thank you.